Welcome back, friends. Let me show you how I made this mouth-watering seafood boil without spending money at the restaurant to buy it. To get started, I have my washed corn, some brown sugar and paprika, sliced sausage, butter, shrimp, potatoes, crab legs, and flavorful blend of garlic and onions, fresh parsley, and that extra spicy crab boil seasoning. Trust me, it's the star. In the pot of boiling water, I added a full spoon of that spicy crab boil, and I stirred, and then a small pack of butter, and I cover it to let the butter melt and flavor the water. Next, I add the potatoes, and then the corn. I let them cook for 15 to 20 minutes until soft but not mushy. Now that the corn is soft, I added the crab legs to let them soak up all the flavor. And then I added the shrimps to get the yummy taste as well. As you can see, everything is perfectly cooked. I then transferred the seafood into a foil pan and set it aside. For the sauce, I started by browning my sliced sausages for about 5 minutes just to bring out that smoky flavor. Then I set them aside. I added a generous amount of butter and stirred it to melt. Then I added in the garlic and onion blend. The aroma alone was enough to make you hungry. I seasoned it with paprika and a touch of brown sugar for sweetness, and finished it with parsley for that pop of color. I let it cook for about 2 to 5 minutes, and boom, the sauce was done. In the foil pan with the seafood, I added the sausages. Look at how it's looking. And I poured the buttery spicy sauce all over. Just look at it. Flavor packed, juicy, perfectly seasoned. Would you try this at home? Let me know in the comments, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.